Hey, it's Pascal here. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Amazon FBA. How does it really work and how much is it required for you to get started with it? Now, if you don't know me, my name is Pascal Manager. I've got my notes here. I've been going through the training for the past 2 days. So I'm going to give you my own perspective, my own experience. I have not launched a product in Amazon, but I'm looking at, most people ask me tons of questions as how much does it really cost to start a business online. So I'm gonna give you like my own breakdown for you to make up your mind whether it's something that you want to get yourself involved in. If you don't know me, I started in 2017, and ever since then I started with affiliate marketing, which is a different business model. I'll give you a little bit of that. Affiliate marketing is more like there's a company called Beats. They have this product to sell, and I go to places like Amazon, I create a link and I send that to someone, find someone on Facebook or YouTube or anything that's looking to buy bits, put that link in front of that person, that person clicks on the link, buys this product, Amazon pays me a commission. Or a company that have this product, if they have an affiliate program, they'll pay me a commission for referring this product to them. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. It's not complicated, but there's a system. Many people fail on it because they fail to understand the system of selling online, which is a training that helped me. If you want to join the training, however, if you like what I'm sharing with you, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe if you like anything I'm saying. Now, so that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell, right? So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be talking about how much does it really cost to start an Amazon FBA business. Most people, I tried to search online very few times, and it was very difficult for me to find somebody to give me a very clear answer. And that's why I have invested in myself. With this coronavirus, everybody's at home. This is a perfect time to begin to expand and grow, because if without anybody telling you, anybody that is not invested in themselves right within this window, there's a lockdown. I see some people complaining of doing exercise. I do 20 minutes exercise every day to help myself stay sane, and and obviously educating myself as well on how to create more income streams, because a lot of people are going to lose their jobs when this whole coronavirus thing is over. So if you fear, or if you've lost your job already, I've got friends that have lost their job already. It's an awful experience. I've got friends who are experiencing the corona thing. It's just terrible this day. So all we got to do is what we can do our best with whatever we have right now. So the madness of buying tissue is over. So don't go and stock up on tissue anymore. There's lots of them in shopping mall. Keep your social distancing. Right, let's talk about Amazon now. Right, so to start an Amazon FBA business, the first thing you need is the account. So I'm going to give you the numbers I saw online myself. You can do the research. Amazon Seller Central account is the first thing you need. So it's 25 pounds plus VAT, so which is about 30 pounds. That's what they charged me. They sent me the receipt. So the second thing you will need is a software to help you find products and source products. So I looked at various softwares. There are thousands of hundreds of softwares online that people are using and recommending. So, excuse me, I have a training that I use. I have a group of people that I'm working with, all of them, over 800 people that have Amazon FBA businesses using the same training I'm using. So majority of them that I've contacted are using Jungle Scout. So I'm gonna go with that same one because they seem to say it works for them. So, and it's pretty much affordable. So Jungle Scout has two versions. One is the Chrome extension, and one is the web app. If you don't know anything, I don't know anything about it. I'm just hearing, like you are hearing it right now. But I know they say you need both, but you need the web app just in the beginning. Then you can. But the one you need for a long time is the extension, which is $19 one. The web app is $39 per month. But the good thing about the web app is you will be needing it not every single time. You might need it like 2 or 3 times in a year, depending on how aggressive you are and you want to grow your business. So you may not need to pay all that full monthly payment thing. You can just opt in and opt out of it, buy it every time you need it. So that's the way. But there's a caveat to it. If you want to keep some very simple, low budget, you can be 6 people and share one account. So I'll put out a question, a chat in the group where the training hangs out, where everybody hanging out in the training. So if anybody has got vacancy, I can be part of and share the cost with them. So that will reduce my cost a little bit on that, but we'll keep it simple. At $39 per month, the web app, and $19 per month, the extension. So the interesting question again that you may be struggling is, what product can I sell? There are millions of products, and that's where the huge money comes in. So with that said, these numbers are going to be different from your interests. If I am selling beats audio, maybe I love music. If you're somebody that doesn't like music, you like sports, you may find your niche in sports. But I'm not going to narrow myself down to my passion. I'm just going to be open to learning just how the process works. No hard feelings to this thing. I'm not gonna go in heavy. I must do this, I must do that. I just want to open my mind and relax and enjoy the whole ride. So with that said, there are some hidden costs that you don't see. So I've gone through the training. I've been doing it for the past 2 months, 2 days now, not 2 months, my bad. So you will incur like photography, images that you see on Amazon. If you want to get a professional person to do it for you, it'll be about $250 to $350 or $800, but it varies. But we'll keep it as simple at $250. Some people, you can do the thing on your phone if you like. That will save you that cost. But my trainer recommend get a professional. It's better for you than if your images are sharp. So I'll add that cost as $250. And the other one is labels, freight, shipping and forwarding. Now I'm not going to go into details because the size of your product and some other logistical details about your whatever you're trying to sell will vary. Everybody's own will vary. So I'm looking at investing, not really hard money here. I'm looking at starting with like between 500 and 5,000 pounds. You may see the gap is big because I'm looking at launching 2 products at the same time. That's my goal. I want to learn on 2 different things. I want to get experience. So if you want to do it one out, just around £2,000 mark to dollars would work. But again, if you have 10,000, 50,000, I wouldn't recommend it to heavily invest in the beginning. Gain experience first and learn. You never know what when you're going on uncharted territory. You don't be brave, be courageous. Brave means you're fearless. That's that's madness. Just like a child that doesn't know that there is fire and they just go and put their hand, the gas is fire or fire exists, they just put their hand in it and it burns them. That's bravery. That's ignorance. Go with courage. Courage simply means you observe the danger, but you make informed decisions. You're not in that get rich quick mentality that I want to make all the money now. I don't want to lose money. I want to make all the money. That holds you back. So make informed decisions and go in slowly. And think of it like a long-term business. Take an average person on the street, average employee. They only think about the month. And average average manager in the upcoming company, they only think quarterly. You are trying to build a business. Business people think yearly. That's minimum yearly. So you think about the whole thing. Even if you run a loss in the first beginning, your second product might cover your cost and everything. So you might still make profit in the first one and the second one, but just keep an open. That's why I say enter gently, courageous, and you will be able to make this work. That's how confident I'm going. So I'm not saying that you should follow my advice. That's a good thing, but again, you're responsible for your own decisions. So the last thing is the cost that you will need a training. Don't watch, if you're like me in 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, trying to watch all the YouTube videos and figure out all these things without spending money. Yes, if you are 16 years old, you don't have a wife, you don't have children, you don't have any overhead, your father is still feeding you, your parents are still feeding you, maybe you can take that approach and just, if you lose your money, it doesn't matter. There's no stress. But if you're like me and you have kids, you have family, you have bills you need to take care of, I would encourage you to get a training, invest in an education. That should be your first thing, to at least gain this knowledge that I'm talking about. And that will put you in a better position than just trying to take risks, because there are a lot of people have done this Amazon FBA business. Some people failed, some people succeeded. So you are looking at joining people that are succeeding in it, so that they will teach you exactly what to do. So I've got phone numbers of people to reach out to. That's in this group of over, I think it's about 2,000 people. I'm what I know. So I believe I'm in the right place. And you know what? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking of shooting, recording my journey and sharing that with you, or guys, on YouTube, because the more I put out, because most of these questions, I know I'm helping a lot of people. I want to use this opportunity to thank the guys that are reaching out to express how some of these videos I'm shooting out. Even though I'm not the best videographer, this one you're watching is on my phone. So I'm just here to share this knowledge with you, so that you can do whatever it takes on your own part to invest in yourself and in your family to create a better life for yourself. Apart from that, that's what you're looking at. It's not a lot. The training I use is $2.5 grand. Yeah, so, but if you haven't, if you're seeing a lot of people pitching you and all that, there's much more to it than just the $2.5 grand. So I'm not gonna tell you to, hey, follow the link in my description, but I'll tell you, this one works. I've seen people that are doing it. They meet face to face, they meet one-on-one if you want to, but nobody meets you one-on-one without knowing you. Does that make sense? I wouldn't have seen these guys in Australia last 2 months if I wasn't in the training, if I hadn't paid for the course. That created the environment for me to go and meet them and mastermind and to exchange number. They say if you need help, reach out. So with these people, they can give me 1 hour free coaching call here and there to guide me throughout the process. That's much more valuable than even the $2.5 grand that I spent. So that's the importance of having a community around starting a business. It's vitally important. I can't stress enough how important it is. So if you want to use the same training I'll tell you, go to the description. They will show you step by steps on how to get involved. Apart from that, there's a video I shot on self-confidence. Now, these things is not easy. I want to tell you that. Starting a business, changing your life, is not easy, especially with all this thing going on in the coronavirus. For you to change your life, I want to give you one final thing before I end this video. They say in times like this, uncertainty, that's when entrepreneurs are born. That's when people are going to change their life. That's what it simply means. I want you to be part of it. You see, there's no decision that is easy, but you can't get there doing what you're doing if you haven't understood that a lot of this, I'm not trying to be a bearer of bad news, but coronavirus has disrupted the way the world is going to be doing business. Amazon is the only company that is hiring right now. That should tell you something. Online business is going up. Get involved. I don't care what you do. Don't ask me how much I make, all these things, or the word. I'm just telling you, whatever you do, get involved. Some people joined crypto, lost money. This is a business. Think 1 year and get involved. Don't let these boats now miss you. The decisions are gonna be hard, but it's those that are willing to make hard decisions this time that are going to change their lives. I can't tell you how vital this information is. It's not easy for me to be launching a business when I'm not sure of what is going, but I understand one thing. I will become what I think about. If I'm thinking recession, I will end up losing a lot of the things I have. I have to think expansion. Train your mind to think expansion. It's not easy, but it's possible. So I've shot a video on self-confidence a while ago. It's coming up. Listen to it and copy what I shared in that video and paste it somewhere and start reading it from today. That would help you. My goal is to help you. Apart from that, my name is Pascal Wanaji. I'm here to help, founder of Wanaji Group. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.